Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Jimmy's Kitchen. So I decided to share with you this amazing salad recipe which you would like to be on your Christmas table. You enjoy pairing it with your Christmas dish. So come with me as I'll show you. The first thing I'll be doing is to prep all of my vegetables. As you know, there is no vegetable salad without vegetables. The struggle with cutting cabbage is just too real for me. I do not enjoy cutting cabbage, but I don't have a choice. I have to do that. So this is me just prepping my cabbage, then onto my purple cabbage too. I'm just prepping it. Then now I'll be cutting some tomatoes. This is cherry tomatoes, which I'll be adding to my salad. I'm just making sure to deseed it because I do not want liquid in my salad, so I'm just trying to remove the seed and the juice. And this is me grating my carrots. I want it in the shape. So my boiled eggs. These eggs have been properly boiled. So if you want to get a properly boiled eggs, leave it on it for about 15 minutes and then you get this really boiled type of eggs. So I'll be adding this to my salad recipe. Now this is my plain mayonnaise which I'll be using for the salad dressing. I'll add in some lemon juice, just a little bit of it to give it that tangy taste. Then I would go on to adding my black pepper. Mix it together, mix it thoroughly till everything is properly combined, and then set it aside. This is now the part where I enjoy the most, where I get to combine all of my vegetables. Now onto my green cabbage, then my purple cabbage next to it. And here goes my carrots. Cucumbers, sweet corn, my tomatoes, and here is my tuna fish. You could use any other protein that you desire. You could use chicken breast, anything that does it for you. And also I'm adding my baked beans. The addition of the baked beans will take this salad to a whole new level. It is so delicious. So right now I'm just adding my black pepper once more, and now I will put in the dressing. You can decide to put in your salad into the refrigerator first before adding the dressing, so it can get a bit cold before you put the dressing and before you serve it. But now I do not have the time. I'll just add dressing instantly and then I will serve it. But don't you just like what this salad is looking like? Is it not giving? It's looking so yummy. It's looking so nice. Everyone at your Christmas table this season would enjoy it. So do well to try out this salad recipe. And yeah, this is me mixing the salad thoroughly with the cream. I'm just mixing it so that it gets properly combined. I decided to change the spatula because it wasn't doing the job for me. decided to use a stronger one, so now I can stir properly. You need to try this because it is just the best you can have this Christmas, this holiday season. Pair it with any type of food and you're good to go. I'm adding more cream so it can be all creamy and nice. Stirring it, combining properly so that every part that you take or every part that your family member takes, you get to have a bit of everything in every bite. If you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, that is, like this video if you enjoyed it. Share with your loved ones and let me know in the comment section if this is one of the recipes you'll be making this Christmas season. I haven't forgotten about our eggs. I just need to stir it so the eggs do not break. So now I'll just add this on top of the salad for it to just sit pretty and for it to look so nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. I love you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.